Hey everybody, on this video I'm going to do some 8-ball practice. I'll probably just shoot through 2 racks here. And the way I do 8-ball, just picture you got like a ball pocketer, pocketing balls until they can't anymore. And in Europe, so they've got 1 ball left and you've got all your solids on the table. So we made that one. And so what I want to do here is actually run out. You're playing 8-ball, you can always play safe, of course. I don't want to play safe, I want to get out. Especially in a APA kind of league where they can kick one of your good safeties and the ball can just go in anywhere and it counts. So what I'd like to do is actually not give anyone the opportunity to do that. So 5-ball is a little bit tricky and our opening shot's a little bit tricky, but his first things first, here's got to make this opening shot. I'm going to try to pocket the 1 ball and play the 4 next. Alright, I'm on the 4 and the 3, so it's 8 balls. So I actually might take the 3 now, and I can stay high to shoot the 4 next. Make sure I got a little bit of an angle on the 2 ball here. A little bit more would be better, but we're okay. Trying to get to the 7 ball straight in, but I overran it, so create a little bit of work for ourselves now. You know what though? Actually, I can shoot the 5 ball now, so I'm actually going to do that. There we go. Straight back down. Okay. Nice kiss on the 6 ball there. Now I think we'll be playing the 6 on the side. Probably go down to the end rail and back towards the 7 ball. Like an angle on the 7 to get over here and shoot the 7 and 8 in the same pocket, ideally. And I actually don't need to go all the way to the yeah, I'm going to go to the end rail. It's just better to do it. When you're running away from the ball, and you're just drifting and drifting and drifting, and you end up a mile away. So now I've got the angle I want here. It's be going two rails. One rail and then back into the second rail, playing both in the same pocket. Hit that so weak. I didn't even get the second rail, but we're good. Just gotta bear down and make it here. Whew. Bang that guy in. That probably is not going on a diamond table with a deeper shelf here. Hit that ball terrible. It's like cold barrel syndrome here. 1 more rack here. Everything. All right, just do same deal here. Persons ran out until they missed, and then now you're up with once again a pretty open table to work through here. This one's actually more open than the last one. It's just same thing, a little bit of a challenging opening shot. But I can play the one in the corner, or I can play it on the side. It goes in out of the pocket. Kind of like the corners, I can actually put a stroke on it. If I shoot it in the side, I'm just letting it kind of run up towards the 2 ball. So let me do that. I'm going to play it in the corner here and just shoot like a kind of almost like a stop shot type stroke here. So we go to the side rail, be able to shoot the 4 or the 3 next here. That's a good shot there. So now we're off and running again. A bit of a funny angle on the 3 again. So if I shoot that now, yeah, I don't like it here. Let me shoot the 4 ball. And I'm going to put a little bit of a stroke on it here and probably play the 2 next. playing the 2, 6, and then probably the 7. We can slide over, play the 7 in the side here. I did want to get jacked up on the 9 ball, and I've slightly overhit that, so. Okay, I can play the 5, but I'm running into the 8, and I'm shooting and putting the 8 towards the corner pocket. Or I'm shooting the 7 and swinging around, or I'm shooting the 3 and trying not to hook myself in anything. But if I do that, I'm also over the 9 ball. It's a lot of thinking out loud here. I'm going to play the 5, and I'm just going to play this with a speed here that I bump the 8 towards the corner pocket and hopefully get on that 3 ball in the other side. Okay, I like that. Actually, I hit it pretty square, which is good. And remember, I was making fun of ball pocketers, and that's kind of what we're doing here. But we're all right, though. We're still pretty much in line here. There's no hero shots are necessary, which is what you want. Just got to come straight back and play the 8. And one over here, play it over here. Distracting myself, trying to think how the camera's looking at it. So I'm going to put the 8 ball over here. Nice little controlled draw. You could have came back a little further, but it's alright. It's basically just a spot shot. 2 rails out of the corner, and that's not perfect 8 ball at all, but I don't play it a whole lot. But when I do practice it, this is pretty much how I do it. And I don't know if it's going to help anybody or not. It's definitely not for beginners, because if you're a beginner, you're not going to be trying to run racks like that. But anyway, I'm going to sign off. I guess if you haven't subscribed, why not? And so we'll end it on that note.